Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add YouTube ads in the middle of your videos. So when you turn on monetization, usually the ads that play are at the beginning or at the end of your videos, or it might even be a banner. But you know those ones that are in the middle where you're actually watching the video and then an ad interrupts it and plays until you either skip it or you have to wait for the whole ad to play? Those are the ads I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm here in the dashboard right now, the YouTube dashboard. Alright, so to add YouTube ads in the middle of your videos, you need to make sure that your channel is first monetized, that you can actually monetize videos, and two, the video has to be at least 10 minutes long. So a live stream or a pre-recorded video that you upload, it needs to be at least 10 minutes long. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this on videos that I've already uploaded. So you can see the times here. These are all below 10 minutes. So even at 9 minutes 14, if you click on it, you can click on it many different ways. So you can click on the pencil and then go to monetization, or you can click straight to the monetization. I'll click it here. You can see that ads are on, but if you want to place ads during the videos, like the ones that actually interrupt the video, it says here only videos longer than 10 minutes are eligible for ads during the video. So now I'm going to go back and find a video that's 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes long. Here we go, this one right here. Let's head over to monetization. And then here you go. You will not see that other sign that we saw before, and you'll see here place manually. From here, you can add the actual ad breaks. So right now there's actually one already, and it's at 1 minute 19. Now you would move this wherever you want, and you can add ad break. So I'm going to click that, and then there you go. That is going to show up there. If you want to see it, you can press play.
Because that's relevant to what the video is. If someone's looking for how to do that, we want them to see that on the thumbnail first and foremost. Be a shorter version of your...
So there you go, you saw an example of the ad, and an ad will actually replace that blank spot that just happened. That's just them to show you that's where it would happen. So in terms of placing ads in videos, if the video is 10 minutes or less, I usually only have one ad in there. So I'm going to remove this one. And then if it's 20 minutes, then I'll have two. I usually go an ad for every one per 10 minutes. You don't want to add so many ads because you might annoy your viewers. So I'll show you an example of when I'm adding like a bunch of them on a longer video. So I'm going to click discard changes, go back to channel videos, head over to our live streams because we've been doing live streams lately. And let's head over to the replays. And then here, this one right here, click on the monetization and then go to place manually. And you can see I've got them placed here. So I've got 4 placed, and the video is 45 minutes long. So this is a live stream that we did for 45 minutes, and so I've got 4 ads in there. And you literally just click on the timeline, then click add break. You can also do place automatically, but I find that when you do that, they place way too many, and it's way too much for what I like to do. And you can see here that they've also put in a little informational notice. It says, ad breaks specify where you want ads, but don't guarantee ads will appear. So depending on, if ads are relevant for your video, they're saying that there might not be ads there. But for the most part, they generally just show up wherever we put them. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.